Now, taking exercise 7.2, let's take an example and see what will. Take a first question. Side of an equilateral triangle is L, capital L. See, there's a mistake in the given question. We do not use capital letters for algebra, but they have used, so I'm writing. We do not remember that we do not use capital letters for algebra. Okay, we always
Ma'am, I
write.
can't see the screen.
What? What are you saying? What he was saying?
Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
You can't see your screen because I have not shown anything on the screen. I have not done a screen sharing. When I will do a screen sharing, you will see on the screen. I am just explaining the concept of the topic. See, a side of an equilateral triangle is capital L. Find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. First, listen to me. In the question, capital L is given. It's wrong, but don't change. We have done on the basis of this only we can do. But remember that if no variables are given, अगर कोई variable नहीं दिया गया है, तो अगर आप खुद से variable ले रहे हो, तो capital letters का use नहीं करेंगे. कौन से letters का use नहीं होगा?
कैपिटल लेटर्स का.
क्योंकि कैपिटल लेटर्स के फॉर्म में हम लोग अलजेब्रा नहीं लिखते. Remember that numbers and capital letters are used as constants. Numbers और capital letters को हम लोग कैसे यूज करते हैं? Constants की तरह. ठीक है, जैसे पेरीमीटर के लिए कैपिटल P लिखा जाएगा. अब वो कांस्टेंट होगा या नहीं? अगर पेरीमीटर 4 जैसे वेरिएबल a की वैल्यू 2 है, 4 2s are 8, तो 8 एक कांस्टेंट वैल्यू हुई या नहीं? हुई या नहीं? क्योंकि वो 2 के लिए वो 8 ही देगा. 2 के लिए अगर 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे तो 8 ही आंसर रहेगा, वो 6 तो नहीं देगा ना. 2 की जगह अगर 6 क्या 2 अगर 4 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे क्या 6 आएगा? वो हमेशा 8 ही आएगा. तो पेरीमीटर क्या हो? जो पेरीमीटर का आंसर आएगा वो कैपिटल P में क्यों लिखा जाता है? क्योंकि वो पेरीमीटर कैपिटल जैसे लिखते हैं ना, A या A, कैपिटल A इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल a इनटू स्मॉल b लिखते हो या नहीं? एरिया के लिए क्या लिखते हो? कैपिटल A इक्वल्स टू स्मॉल a इनटू स्मॉल b. फॉर्मूला ऐसा लिखते हो या नहीं? तो कैपिटल पर्टिकुलर b को की जो भी वैल्यू लोगे, इफ यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दोस ट्रू वैल्यूज, यू विल गेट अ फिक्स्ड वैल्यू. 2 3 6 होगा या 3 2 6 होगा, लेकिन 8 9 10 तो नहीं होगा ना. 8 या 9 या 10 तो नहीं होगा ना. So capital letters, समझा why we use capital letters and we say capital letters as constant. So capital letters, or if you are writing the algebra in the form of capital letters or numbers, they are constants, and for writing variables we only use numbers combination with small letters or only small letters. Numbers combination means combining with small letters or only small letters. Understood? Any confusion? So let's move to the question. The side of the equilateral triangle is capital L. Find the perimeter of a equilateral triangle. So let's go to the slides now. I will be doing the screen sharing first, so that who was saying, ma'am, I cannot see your screen. Now you can see my screen. Now can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Still no?
Yes, ma'am, now.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Let me do something so that I can also see you. You can also see my screen and I can also see you at the same time. No problem. So, see, I have taken a triangle. Okay, what's the principle behind an equilateral triangle? All the sides are equal? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So, let one side of the equilateral triangle is capital L given to us. It's given to us. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the formula for
Yes, ma'am.
the formula for perimeter of a triangle is sum of the three sides of the triangle. Add all the three sides. we add the measurement of all the three sides. The sum of the three sides of a triangle. But in case of equilateral triangle, what happens? All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal.
Equal.
Equal. So what will be the perimeter will be? Side 1 plus side 2. Side will be L plus L plus L. See what will happen? We will add up them. And what happens? The answer is 3L, because what happens? We write the variable as common and we take the coefficients. 1 plus 1 plus 2. How many L's are there? 3L.
3.
So the value is 3L. The value is 3L. Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, seeing the same method, can you tell me what will be the perimeter of a regular hexagon? See, the formula method is in front of you. Can you tell me what will be the formula for regular hexagon? Hexagon means six-sided figure. Hexa means six, hexagon. Hexagon is a six-sided, and regular means all the sides are equal. So regular hexagon. Seen the law? Now try it.
6 into sides.
6L. 6Y.
6.
Ma'am, 6y.
6Y.
Very good.
Ma'am,
6y.
6y.
We will add y.
6y.
We will add y how many times? We will add y how many times?
6 times. 6 times.
6 times. 6y. See, you did it by yourself or not? Feeling
Yes, ma'am.
confident? Feeling confident?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood the writing method? Understood the writing method?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Or not? Okay. Let's try. Z is multiplied by -3. Z is multiplied by -3 and the result is subtracted from 13. And the result is subtracted from 13. This type of question you did it yesterday. This type of question you did it yesterday. Na? In the homework it was given. Try it. Z is multiplied by -3. It's a negative integer. Remember that it's a negative integer. And the result is subtracted from 13. And the result is subtracted from 13. Try it. The number is
Z minus 13.
huh?
Ma'am, Z minus 13.
No. No.
Ma'am, -10.
No.
Ma'am, Z into -3 minus 30.
Huh? Please repeat. Okay, first tell me.
Ma'am, -3y.
क्या multiplication sign
-3z.
क्या बताओ, एक पहली चीज बताओ, क्या मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन दिखेगा?
No, ma'am.
नहीं.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
तो
ma'am.
Ma'am, -3z.
कितना हो जाएगा? Z मल्टीप्लाइड बाय -3 कितना होगा?
Ma'am, -3z.
ठीक.
Ma'am,
और
-3z.
कितना समझ में आया? नेक्स्ट पार्ट देखो, ये रिजल्ट हो गया. ये रिजल्ट हो गया नहीं? और ये रिजल्ट 13 से हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, तो 13 माइनस रिजल्ट होगा कि रिजल्ट -13 होगा? 13 माइनस रिजल्ट होगा कि रिजल्ट -13 होगा?
13 minus.
Ma'am,
13
Ma'am,
minus.
13 minus result.
ठीक है.
13 minus.
अच्छा जरा देखो मैंने सही लिखा है कि गलत बताना. सही है. अगर मैं 13
Yes,
माइनस
ma'am.
अगर मैं 13 माइनस रिजल्ट लिखती हूँ तो ये तरीका सही है.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
ठीक है. तो कैन वी ओपन द ब्रैकेट? ऑन ओपनिंग द ब्रैकेट क्या होगा चेंज? व्हाट विल बी अ चेंज?
Ma'am, the minus sign will turn
Ma'am,
into
13
plus
Ma'am, 13 plus 3z. Ma'am, 13 plus 3z.
तो ये हमारा फाइनल आंसर है. सो फाइनल आंसर फॉर द एक्सप्रेशन इज 13 plus 3.
16z.
3z.
16 कैसे होगा? 16z कैसे होगा? क्या हम एक वेरिएबल को कांस्टेंट से ऐड कर सकते हैं?
No, ma'am.
Add a variable with constant.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So who said 16z? Who said 16z? किसी ने
Ma'am,
16 का हाँ, बेटा कंफ्यूजन तो कर लो, इस एग्जाम में लिख के बैठ जाओगे, फिर कहोगे मैम मेरे मार्क्स चले गए, मैम मैंने तो पूरा क्वेश्चन सही किया था लेकिन मेरे मार्क्स चले गए, फिर रोगे, फिर मम्मी आएंगी, फिर पापा भागते भागते स्कूल आएंगे, मेरे बच्चे ने तो पूरा सही किया था लेकिन मेरे बच्चे के मार्क्स कैसे टीचर ने काट लिए, कैसे उस मैथ्स क्लास की हिम्मत पड़ी कि मार्क्स काट लिए, कौन है किसने इसकी मोबाइल पड़ी करके झगड़ने सब आ जाएंगे। उससे बेटर इतना लंबा so much of wrong Ramayana, better to solve it in a short method na, so clear out your confusion so that this Ramayana or Mahabharata doesn't take place, right, between school on one side and your parents on other side. Do you want this Ramayana or Mahabharata to take place?
No,
Huh?
ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So please clarify. We cannot add a constant with a variable. Neither two different variables can be added. जैसे मान लो एक variable A है and the other variable B is there. So you cannot add two variables. You can simply write A plus B. हाँ, लेकिन दो variables एक जैसे हो, जैसे A है एक में, दूसरे में भी A है, तो A plus A add किया जा सकता है. Any confusion? If there are two
No, ma'am.
variables, then also they cannot be added. But if the variables to add are same, जैसे मान लो पहला A है, दूसरा भी A है, जब अभी L वाला देखा जैसे हम लोग ने, तो हम उनको ऐड कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर एक वेरिएबल A हो और दूसरा वेरिएबल B हो, एक वेरिएबल A हो और दूसरा वेरिएबल B हो, तो हम उनको ऐड नहीं कर सकते, हम वैसे ही लिख देंगे A plus B. बात समझ में आई? बात समझ में आई? और थर्ड थिंग,
Yes, ma'am.
add a constant with a variable. We cannot add a constant with a variable. If it is there, then we will write it as it is. Okay. Do you want to try one more question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. 3 decimals added to the smallest number. Okay. Try this one. Cube wala. Cube one. Figure is also given. Try it. Sixth one. A cube is a three-dimensional, 6 identical faces. Length of edge of the cube is given by L. Find the total length of the edges. Please count the number of edges. How many number of edges are there?
Ma'am, 8.
Wrong.
Ma'am, 8.
Wrong.
Ma'am, 12.
12. Right.
12.
Three-dimensional
Ma'am, 12.
figure. It's a three-dimensional figure. The one which you
I'm
cannot
12.
see has to be counted. One which you have 12. And 12 and length of each side edge is equal to length of each side is equal to L. So what will be the formula? What will be the value of what will be the total length of the edges? कितनी है? What will be your answer? Length of one edge is L and there are 12 edges. So total length will be how much?
Ma'am, 12L.
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 12L. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to this age-based question. See, taking Isha's age to X years. The age of Isha is X. Okay. We have taken the age of Isha as X. Now, what will be her age 10 years from now? Is the statement saying we have to go 10 years ago or after? First
Ma'am,
10.
after.
So after मतलब क्या था? We will add 10 or we will reduce 10 to our age.
Ma'am, add 10.
So what will be the
Ma'am,
answer?
add 10.
What will be the
Ma'am,
answer?
10x.
Again you are doing the same mistake.
मैम 10 plus x.
10 से x जोड़ोगे कि x से 10 जोड़ोगे?
Ma'am, x plus 10. Ma'am, x plus 10.
X
Ma'am,
plus
x
10.
plus 10.
Because we are adding 10 years to our age to get the age after 10 years, na? We are adding 10 years to her age to get the age after 10 years. Understood? So it will be x plus 10 in a bracket. I am showing you the writing format. Please see. I am showing you the writing format. Please see. It will be x plus 10. You will put it in a bracket and write years. Understood how to write this type of numbers when the unit is common? Understood? Any confusion in writing?
No,
When
ma'am.
common unit for the algebraic expression, when we write a common unit for the algebraic expression, we keep them in a bracket and write the unit at the end. We keep them in a bracket and write the unit at the end. Understood? Okay. Now, what was her age 5 years ago? 5 years ago, again, we are going ahead or back?
Ma'am, it is 3 years.
Sorry, 3 years ago. So we are going back or ahead?
Ma'am, x
Ma'am,
minus
back.
3. Back.
3
Ma'am,
years.
back.
Ma'am, x minus 3.
X
minus 3.
X minus 3. X minus 3.
X minus 3.
X minus 3.
What?
10 minus 3.
X minus 3.
अरे बेटा,
X minus 3.
बिना यूनिट के मार्क्स मिलेंगे आपको? Without writing the unit, will you get marks? What will be the unit?
Ma'am, 3.
3 will be the unit.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, x.
Huh? X minus 3 what? जैसे x plus 10 years था तो x minus 3 क्या होगा?
Yes.
X ago equals to bracket open x minus 3 bracket close years ago.
No need of writing year ago because we are telling the exact number, so it will be years. X minus 3 years. Because it's a form, the answer will give you a number, not the tenure. Tenure मतलब time period नहीं देगा, एक number देगा कि उतनी उम्र है. So it will be x minus 3 years. But if the question is giving any type of unit, you have to write those unit. Otherwise, no, 50% of the marks will be 50%. 50% is not less. अगर 2 नंबर का होगा तो 1 नंबर. छोटा मार्क्स नहीं है ना. अगर 2 नंबर होगा तो 1 नंबर कट जाएगा. तो छोटा है क्या? बहुत कम मार्क्स है क्या? अच्छे खासे मार्क्स चले जाएंगे, राइट? So 50% of the marks will be deducted. So remember that. क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़िएगा क्या है. Okay, last one. Isha's father is 5 years more than twice her age. Isha's father is 5 years more than twice her age. पार्ट में ब्रेक करो. ट्वाइस मतलब क्या? ईशा की एज ट्वाइस हो गई. x इज ईशा की एज. उसमें ट्वाइस हो गया तो 2x हो गया. उसमें 5 जोड़.
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
yes, है 2x
2 bracket open 2x plus 5 bracket close.
right. 2x plus 5
brackets into 2
हाँ.
bracket 2x plus 5 bracket close.
Repeat multiplication sign with algebraic expressions.
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
Multiplication sign with algebraic expressions. Again, you are doing the same mistake, and in this way you will get wrong answer also. We do not show the multiplication sign with algebraic expressions. Sahil was right. Bracket 2x plus 5 bracket close years. Bracket open 2x plus 5 2x plus 5 years. 2x plus 5 years. Seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Any more question you want to try? Or you will do the rest by yourself? Okay, let's do one more. Do the 8th one. Try to do the 8th one. And the between the length and the breadth is given. You have to answer what is the length, and the relationship between length and breadth is given, and the expression for breadth is given small b meters. Small b meters. Now try. Who will try for me? जैसे अभी फादर, जैसे हम लोग ने हमने फादर वाला किया था, हमने थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्रेक करके किया, वैसे ही आप इसको भी ब्रेक करके करिए, आ जाएगा. ब्रेक करके करो, थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्रेक करो करो.
मैम B6 minus 4 bracket open, B6 minus 4 bracket close.
बेटा फिर से पढ़ो, थोड़ा गड़बड़ कर गए हो, थोड़ा गड़बड़ कर गए हो. सही जा रहे हो, थोड़ा गड़बड़ कर गए हो, वैल्यू नंबर्स लेने में गलती कर रहे हो. फिर से पढ़ो. 6 meters less than
bracket
4.
of 6b minus 4.
बेटा अभी भी गलत कर रहे हो, सुनो अच्छे से. 6 meter less than 4 times breadth. ये मेन लाइन है, देखो. 6 meter less than 4 times breadth. थोड़ी गलती कर रहे हो.
मैम bracket open B4 minus 6.
B4 होता है कि 4B होगा? पहले पर सही पढ़ो. 4B लिखा है कि B4 होगा? पहले कांस्टेंट 4. ओके, गलत पढ़ो नहीं. जो जब गलत आंसर दोगे तो ठीक है, हम समझा देंगे, लेकिन गलत पढ़ोगे तो डांटेंगे. ठीक है ना? 4B
minus 6.
right. Bracket close meters.
4b minus 6.
meters. तो you should read minus portion. सही पोर्शन को पढ़ोगे तो गलती नहीं होगी. 4B minus 6 meters. I'm showing you again. Can you see? Can you
No,
see?
ma'am.
Huh?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No. Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
The length of the
Yes, ma'am.
rectangular hall is 4 B meters. So the length will be 4B minus 6 meters. Okay, try one more. Try one more and then I will leave you. Some students are yawning. So try the 10th one. Try the 10th one. Just now you done an English question. अभी अभी English question किया.
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
Huh?
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
Can you hear me now? Raghu
Yes,
is
ma'am.
18 years less than 2 times his cousin's age. What is Raghu's age if the cousin's age is X years? 10th one. Raghu's age is 18 years less than 2 times his cousin's age. What is Raghu's age if his cousin's age is X years? Please try this one. We have just not done an age based question ना. अभी age वाला एक क्वेश्चन किया है नहीं?
Ma'am, 2x minus 18.
X minus 18.
2x minus
2x minus 18.
Ma'am,
2x minus 18. Ma'am, 2x minus 18.
Ma'am, 2x minus 18. Ma'am, 2x minus 18.
Okay, if I have written, what you say, have I written it say the same?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
So I can
Yes,
conclude
ma'am.
that you have understood how to do this exercise. I can conclude from this that you have understood how to do this exercise. Okay, now question number 9. Question number 9. Cancel question number 9.
Ma'am, please repeat again. I can't hear you, ma'am.
Okay. Question number question number 9, 12 and 13. Cancel question number 9, 12 and 13. You have to cancel these 3. Okay? And rest is in your homework. Rest is in your homework. Cancel question number 9, 12 and 13 and rest all the questions are in your homework. Any other confusion? Okay, you will go
ma'am.
which chapter you are going to discuss. Which exercise or chapter you want to discuss with me?
Ma'am, fractions.
Fractions, all the questions, all the exercises together or any exercise number, particular exercise number?
Ma'am, 5.5.
5.5.
Hello, ma'am. Hello,
Ah.
ma'am.
Yes, Tanay.
Which we have to cancel.
9, 11 and 13, I think so. Shubhangi, please repeat. Shubhangi, repeat the questions which have to be cancelled.
Ma'am, 9, 12 and 13.
9, 12 and 13. 9, 12 and 13.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fractions. Any, everyone agree with that? Sahil is saying 5.5 fractions.
No, ma'am.
So,
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
so which exercise you want to discuss? You have
No,
to
ma'am.
tell which exercise you
Ma'am,
want to
5.3.
5.3.
Ma'am,
Okay.
5.3.
5.3.
See, we can discuss only one exercise at a time, you know. Right? In 20 minutes, only one exercise can be discussed. Right? So, which you decide? 5.3 or
Ma'am,
5.5?
5.3.
5.3.
Ma'am, everyone agrees with 5.3?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
5.3.
ma'am.
Solving this exercise completely. You know, you have understood how we will do the revisions. You will be solving this exercise completely. Then, first of all, difficulties will be taken. And then, if no difficulties, randomly questions will be given to you. You will solve and tell me the answers. Okay? So, do sit
Yeah.
with the rough copy. Okay? Do sit with the rough copies. Okay? Because in fractions, we will require working. Understood? Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you and have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.